Yun yung natural progression. But since meron tayong sinasabi na joint letter directive, we are banking on that, using that as a baseline for us to really declare. And it is under the purview of the 301st Brigade, under Brigadier General Nelson Richard Patricio, who recently assumed replacing our commander right now, Major General Samson. So, kapag nag-usap na ang PNP at saka Philippine Army, ayan, and then, gagawin resolution yan doon sa Peace and Order Council, whether at the provincial level, city level, etc., etc. Then, the DILG will also be taking cognizance of that, so that pagka na-satisfy na yung provisions, then outright we will declare. Pero not as of now, kasi busy pa sa election. And then we will also have the challenge of the newly elected, if they share the same passion as declaring stable internal peace and security. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Ms. Ana. Next, we move on to RP1. Sir JP.
Sir, good morning, JP from Rancho Pilipinas. To Colonel Guerrero, sir, just to clarify na po, kasi na-mention kanina yung areas of concern, particularly for the national local elections, and there was a mention na wala na pong red category. But to clarify, sir, hindi na po kabilang sa red category yung kanina which was previously classified by the COMELEC as under that category.
Siguro kung napag-usapan natin about red areas, former election 2023, barangay elections, nasa red areas si Kalinaw. You know, hindi categorizations under area of election concern, may mga parameters po siya. Now recently, with the recent discussions and validations made between the PNP, the Army, and the COMELEC officer, the